Hello everyone, this is Corona. You all know about it, but not due to its good deeds, rather due to its bad deeds. The novel COVID 19 is destroying the beautiful lives of people all over the world. This had killed millions of people all over the world and killing thousands of them every day. This is a time of great distress and grief for everyone. This had put economy in bed of Pacific. This had resulted in extreme worst period of economic depression. But we are warriors. We have faced numerous difficulties in history and now also it is the time to prove ourselves. We have to bind our courage. We have to fight like soldiers with this monster. We will go an extra mile and defeat this COVID 19 by obeying rules, maintaining social distancing, and wearing masks. We have to cooperate with our heroes. We will soon taste victory over this devil. Now, you all know this deadly virus had killed millions of people. But I want to share some other factors also which is affected by COVID 19. The most concerned thing before COVID 19 was carbon emission. Governments of whole world were thinking about global warming. But now, as the least number of population is using vehicles and minimal industries are working, the carbon dioxide's rate had decreased and we have much clean air. Isn't it amazing? But unfortunately, it will not sustain. In fact, within 6 months, the carbon rate will increase after COVID 19. After carbon emission, we have nectar of life, that is water. But this life giving fluid was itself dying. Thank God to Corona, who restricted our polluting of water and fill these water bodies with aquatic creatures. Well, in these cases, I support Corona. Instead, we should be aware by Corona that the biggest threat to this world are humans themselves. Unlike atmosphere and hydrosphere, lithosphere is adversely affected by this because litters in road is now controlled, but the biomedical waste is increasing at an alarming rate. I hope we would cure our soil after some time. Now you might be thinking why we can't recycle these stuffs. But Corona has made us to think whether it is safe or not. These kind of fears will be with us for a long time. Now to run everything we need energy, and electricity is the most important form of energy. Electricity was used at a high rate, but now its rate is increasing even more highly. So maybe after a year, we have to depend on solar and wind energy. And we would have compact Tesla coils to run appliances. Now let's talk about 21st century's best invention, that is broadband. During this COVID-19, internet trafficking and use of broadband is at peak. So we will gain technological development in a short span of time in upcoming futures. Humans are not only creatures affected by this. COVID also affected the foods of stray dogs and cats, as humans were only one to give them food. But now see these pretty animals, and I don't think they will get food from humans for several years due to fear. We Indians, after a long time, were developing, but now it again goes down. I hope that with our Honorable Prime Minister's guide, we will soon sustain in economic factors. These were some factors which had affected you indirectly. Now let's talk about the factors which had affected you directly, affected your emotions and affected every individual person. The most important among these is hygiene. 6 months ago, we were not concerned about our hygiene. But now see, every person is hygienic. If anyone even sneezes, then we shiver due to fear that if we would have corona, then what will happen? I want this habit for some more time. So we could inculcate habit of hygiene. As a student, I think it affected teaching learning process a lot. Usually when you think about schools, your mind strucks with a lot of students giggling together, having fun and teacher taughting lessons. But now it's completely changed. Both teachers and students are doing a lot of hard work. Maybe within 1 year, if this virus will not go, then we will use virtual reality to have a feeling of schools. Or if we would control over this virus, we would have to study keeping social distancing in mind. Some years ago, every mother says to her child, Be a doctor, as doctor gets lots of money and can save lives of people. But now mother says, Doctor? What kind of rubbish ambition you have? Instead of this, choose any other career. But I want to give salute to those persons who sent corona workers for our helps. Now I don't think anything is left. So let's do party. Oh sorry, we can't do party. But we can have cuisines at home. Yummy. So I wish you to enjoy cuisines, stay home, stay safe and make safe.